What's it all about, Nakia? Alright, so this morning I've got a bit of a long weekend going on here, so I'm planning to build a chicken coop. So previously my chicken coop was out this side. It was more of a roost than a coop. I think you can see it over there. Yeah, but problems with predators, and I realize I need some place to lock them in at night. Keep them away from the predators. I'm slowly training the dogs to behave themselves, but also the energy of the chicken coop. What I mean energy, I mean kind of the where I like it to be. So this is the veggie garden I've been setting out here. So you can see it's near my door. So I like it here, and I'm feeling good when I walk here. I feel good. You see, there's my little tree nursery going on there. So I like the idea of concentrating where my daily up and downs would be. The problem is this is my entrance way to the cottage, and with time I would like this to be a timber deck going this way like this, but I would also like the garden to flow this way, if you know what I mean. See where the puppies are there, puppy housing? But this I'd like to be the back garden, because I want the gardens to flow towards that way, which is down towards the spring, the most beautiful parts. So this thinking has kind of led me to the idea that I'll have a chicken coop over here. It'll form an A-frame like this, and that'll allow the chickens to forage. Not an A-frame, what I mean like a 45-degree pitch, kind of an A at the top there. The dimensions will be 1.8 high to the eaves, 1.2 wide, very narrow, and 2.4 deep. I would then give them an access route out here, allowing them to forage then during the day, out wild into the forest, under the guava trees, all that. And it'll allow me when I'm out, when the dogs are most naughty. Yes, I'm talking about you, Nakia, especially you actually. When I'm out, I can then keep the dogs behind this high fence, and if the chickens are clever, they will stay on the other side of the fence away from the dogs, because in as much as we have wild predators here, I'm still not quite trusting these dogs with the chickens. So I'm slowly busy working with that. And the way I like to work is I like to potter. I like to wander from one task until the energy grabs me. And of course, the other game I like to play is I like to play with sketches and diagrams. It entertains me, you see. So I've been lying in bed early in the morning before sunrise, working on these sketches, planning out where I want what to go, you know. But then I jump from sketches to building and back to sketches. So I leave this journal sketchbook of mine outside here on the table, so as I come back I check. So this is where the spot I just showed you now. So this is the cottage, here's my garden. So this direction will go there. There'll be other gardens going this way toward the spring. It first I was thinking about having it, the chicken coop down there, but I got a very good crit from my sister Lindy and helped me guide the position of this chicken coop to over here. So that's kind of my method. And then I don't set myself any specific objective. It's got to be done by lunchtime on Thursday or this or that, and I very consciously and specifically follow my energy. What does that mean? I very consciously and specifically, I go one task at a time, and of course there can only ever be one task at a time, but part of our monkey mind kind of imagines there can be more. So yeah, so the other cool thing is I like to use recycled timber. I get this from a little timber yard called DIY Timbers up the road. So they would get this stuff from shipping crates and construction sites and clean it up just enough for us to be able to use it, take out all the nails and do all that kind of work that I'm not interested to do. I'm prepared to pay them for that. I also feel it's unnecessary to get clean, pristine, beautiful, expensive timber to build animal housing where this stuff can do. Yeah, so we're saving the forest and the bugs and all those things, and we're having fun, and we're saving money. Yeah, so listen, I'll probably remember to post a video later on showing you how the chicken coop goes, but basically that's the idea over there somewhere. Hewitt-Coleman, building freedom, out.